students, welcome back to the online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today we are going to continue with the third part of the second chapter, that is operation on rational numbers. And the very fresh topic is properties of multiplication of rational numbers. And the very first topic is closure property. Let us see what it says. The product of two rational numbers is also a rational number. Suppose if a and b are two rational numbers, then according to the property a into b means the product of a into b is also a rational number. Let us see with the help of an example. If a is equal to 5 upon 2 and b is equal to 3 upon 7, then according to the property a into b is equal to 5 upon 2 into 3 upon 7. When we are going to find out the product, it will be 15 upon 14. That is also a rational number. Let us start with another property, that is commutative property. What it says, two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. Like if we are multiplying a into b or b into a, whatever the product is going to come, it will be equal. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a into b is equal to b into a. If we interchange the position of a and b and we find out the product, it will be same, it will be equal. Let us see with the help of an example. If a is equal to 2 upon 3 and b is equal to 3 upon 5, then according to the property a into b is equal to b into a. When we are going to put the value of a and b, 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. 3 cancel both the sides. So what will be the answer? 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5. This shows that LHS is equal to RHS. Let us come to another property, that is associative property. What it says, the product of three or more rational numbers does not depend on the way the rational numbers are grouped. If we are going to interchange the grouping of three rational numbers, it is not going to affect the product or result. If a, b and c are three rational numbers, then according to the property a into b in one bracket multiplied by c is equal to a into b into c in one bracket. Let us see with the help of an example. If a is equal to 3 upon 2, b is equal to minus 5 upon 7 and c is equal to minus 1 upon 3, then according to the property a into b in one bracket multiplied by c is equal to a into b into c in one bracket. Now if we are going to prove, first I am going to take LHS. What is LHS? This is LHS, a into b in one bracket into c. Now we are going to place the value of a, b and c. 3 upon 2 multiplied by minus 5 upon 7 in one bracket multiplied by 1 upon 3. 3 5s are 15, minus plus minus, 7 2s are 14 into minus 1 upon 3. When I am going to find out the product, it will be minus minus plus 15 upon 42. Now I am going to take RHS. What is RHS? A into b into c in one bracket. So a into b into c in one bracket is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 5 upon 7 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3. When I am going to multiply minus 5 upon 7 into minus 1 upon 3, it will make 5 upon 21 into 3 upon 2 makes 15 upon 42. Therefore we can see that LHS and RHS both are equal. Hence it is proved that they are equal. Let us come to another property, that is multiplicative identity. What it says, the product of any rational number with 1 is the rational number itself. If a is a rational number, then a into 1 is equal to 1 into a makes a. Means if I am going to multiply any number with 1, what will be the result? The product will be the number itself. Let us take an example. If a is equal to 3 upon 7, then according to the property a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. So 3 upon 7 into 1 is equal to 1 into 3 upon 7 makes 3 upon 7. So if we are going to multiply 3 by 7 by 1, what will be the product? The number itself. Let us come to the last property, that is distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. If a, b and c are three rational numbers, then according to the property of addition, a into b plus c is equal to a into b in one bracket plus a into c. That is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is multiplication over addition. That is why it is called distributive property of multiplication over addition. Let us see distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A into b minus c in one bracket is equal to a into b in one bracket minus a into c. It is called distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now, next time when we are going to meet, I am going to start with another property of division. Till then, be safe and goodbye.